guys, Michelle here from Michelle Creations, wanting to show you a step-by-step video on how to put vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, onto a shirt. First thing you want to do is fire up your heat press. I have it set to right now at 321 degrees, and I have the timer for 20 minutes. I'm sorry, 20 seconds, because 20 minutes will be way too long. Go ahead, and what we're gonna do is take a lint roller, and we are going to take all the lint off of our heat press, just to make sure there's nothing on there. And we're going to grab our t-shirt. I use a Bella Canvas Heather style t-shirt. I like the way that the hues are in the colors. And again, we're gonna go ahead and take the lint off of the shirt as well. And then we are going to press it for a few seconds. It's basically to get the moisture out of the shirt. I feel like my pressure is off. All right, so you can see the discoloration, and that's just from the heat. There's nothing, no harm done to the shirt. And I use a shirt ruler, and I go ahead and align up the shirt, and this is mainly just so I can line up my image that I cut with my Cricut machine. And I made this cute little image. So you will see that, I'm so sorry, that was backwards. What I like to do is meet the image in the center. Once you get it to the center and it's sort of lined up, I crease it to give me an idea on the middle. And then I'm going to line it up where I want to place it. Now I do have two different vinyls attached here. Don't worry, I'm not going to press them at the same time. It's just mainly for me to get situated with the alignment. I do like to bring the image about 2 to 3 finger lengths from the top. Definitely want to make sure you remove that. You do not want to press that onto your shirt. Now what I typically like to do is I like to make sure that it is centered. I also like to just double check in multiple ways. Looks good to me. So again, before I press it, I'm going to remove the white, which is my second layer of vinyl, by keeping the main layer down. And I use a Teflon sheet to protect my heat base with my vinyl. And I'm gonna go ahead and press it for 20 seconds. Typically when you do more than multiple vinyls, I should tell you not to press for the full amount. So what I like to do is take this off. I kind of let it cool down just a tad. Some vinyls you do not have to wait. Some vinyls you have to wait till it's warm or cool. It's always best to check the vinyls that you're using because there's many different manufacturers and brands these days. I do not use Cricut products. I've had a very difficult time with that, whether it's because it's too thick or for some reason it just does not stick on the first go around, or I have to sit patiently waiting for it to be done. So I've went to a different brand. I use Caesar Easy Weed. I find it very easy to use, no pun intended, obviously. So it is good. What I'm gonna do is slowly peel it back, and as you can see, with no problem, it just comes off. the structure of the vinyl sheet. Now, without moving it, I am going to line this up to my polka dots, and I have it on the wrong side. Going to line the polka dots to where I want them, which looks really cute there. And then I'm going to line up the shirt. Sometimes vinyl can shrink or expand depending again on the type of vinyl. So it's very important to take your time and not pull your material when you are doing this. I can see right here, there's a little bit of shrinkage, so I'm just pulling the shirt a tad to get that there. Now, sometimes people put the transfer sheet back on to protect the rest. I'm gonna do it just for this purpose, even though I'm putting this back on to protect the carrier sheet. Just double protection, won't hurt. And again, we're not gonna do the full 20 seconds, I'm sorry. We're just gonna do a few seconds, just mainly to get that on there. Then what I do after I pull everything off is I'll press one more time for a few seconds, just to adhere everything all together. Just giving it a few more seconds to cool down. This is a kind of cute design. So I just like to go slow, just in case if one didn't get on there correctly, then I can go back down. I also like going sideways when I pull off the vinyl, again, just in case there's a problem. And we're just peeling back at an angle, going slowly. And again, once I'm done with pulling all the vinyl off, I'm so sorry, with the carrier sheet off, not the vinyl that's on the shirt, I'm just gonna press it for a few seconds. And when I say a few, no more than 5. You're just basically wanting to get that vinyl adhered to the fabrics of the shirt. And I will show you what I'm referring to. So as you can see, hopefully you kind of see how the fabric is embedded with the vinyl. And here is the product. Is so cute. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you want to see more content, please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.